What is going on, guys? We're out with Taylor and the Axeman. I was at Taylor's house earlier. We were working on the bike. We got everything all loaded up. We went all the way out to our little spot. And I realized I didn't have my key. So we sat and watched the kids for a while, or I sat and watched. Oh, a whole license plate, huh? But at any rate, I didn't get to ride earlier, so now we're back in the neighborhood, so.
Someone lost their license plate, so I set it up just in case they go driving around looking for it. Hopefully it stays up.
Look at that good deed for the day. I'm gonna get it figured out.
Dude!
Yeah! Little rolling burnout. I figured since I'm not very good at wheelies yet, I gotta figure out how to do something. So, I always thought rolling burnouts looked pretty cool on the big sport bikes. So, I'm gonna figure out how to do it on this thing.
I said, look at Eric skedaddling. He comes from a long line of skedaddles.
Oh yeah, I'm the best in my line. Axel's got a new riding style. I like it. One of these. I don't know what he's got going on, but that's what he does. All right. Are you ready? You ready, or you want to hang out for a second? You want to take a break?
Yeah.
Okay. As I have raw spots on my butt cheeks. I'm trying to learn how to wheelie last night.
All right. Ride with Eric. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Two worse enemies.
You good, Bubba?
Yeah.
You on there? All right.
That looks like a good time.
Here we
Yeah,
go.
he's good. Axel, wrap your arms around him and hold your hand.
Perfect.
Two arch nemesis.
Yeah, Axel confirmed today that we are in fact arch enemies. Oh, the irony that I in fact am bringing his little self back to the house. You want to do a wheelie?
No.
Are you sure? Okay. You do a wheelie with your dad? Oh, I'm sketchy. Okay, that's fair.
I absolutely love this so much.
Oh, my butt cheeks hurt. It's alright though, we're gonna learn this. And then we won't have to worry about our butt cheeks getting chewed up so much.
Oh, dude!
My butt cheek is raw again.
Giving away a pair of goggles from the website. I will purchase it, send it y'all's way. So make sure, you know, if you're a minor, it's cool that I have y'all's address. Yeah, how rude.
Pretty bird. Oh yeah, I remember this place.
Wheelie thing.
Oh my lord, the brakes were not there.
Gotta get on the throttle. Buddy, we gotta adjust the brakes again.
I think that was my longest wheelie ever.
Oh, shit.
Perfect.
Well guys, this is it. So thanks for hanging out. We will we'll catch you next time.